Shop the Divine collection from ENL Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
No,
Bruh.
no,
I'm gonna keep this.
no way, bro.
I can't even reach it. This is beyond embarrassing. Wait a minute. Rough.
What the, bro?
Life be like, wait a minute.
Hi guys, Linda is immediately here. Welcome back to my channel. So after watching that video, I decided to make this video because I see no reason why a beautiful lady should wear a wig that is ill-fitted to her head. I'm going to be sharing with you things that you need to ensure that your wig fits perfectly. You can see these are wig combs, and you also need an elastic band, an adjustable elastic band. And let's look at this wig right here. This is what most of us wear as our wig without any form of security, but you need an adjustable elastic band or the regular elastic bands. This adjustable one is just perfect because you're able to fit it to the size of your head and have it as tightly as you want it to be. I'm going to start now by just sewing down the sides of the elastic band before I sew it down to the wig. The reason why it's very important is that you ensure that your wigs are properly made by a wig stylist or a wigging professional is because you don't want to find yourself in that embarrassing situation. From the way I placed my hands on the wig, you can see that I am trying to ensure that the sides of the wig have a comb on it. So that direction where it's like on the sides of my ears is why I sewed down that wig comb. So those wig combs, sew it on the sides, just beside your ears. If you go back to the video, you see how I positioned the wig on my head and got the exact place I want those combs to be on the side. So I'm going to sew those combs down on both sides, and I'm also going to sew that comb on the back of the wig. You can see both wig combs down on both sides of the wig. You see that area there on the back? I want to be able to use that wig comb and comb it down into my cornrows. Another thing I want to say is, when it comes to ensuring that your wig stays securely on your head, I think you have to ditch that nude cap, because that nude cap might not allow you to be able to comb the wigs into your cornrows. You have to ditch that cap, put that elastic band on, and sew in the combs and the elastic band securely on your wig. You can see how firm and tight this wig is on my head. It's not tight like, oh, it's giving me headache. No, it's just securely well fitted because the wig cap is perfect for my head size. Another mistake ladies make is you just go and buy a random wig without ensuring that the wig cap is the size of your head. There are various wig cap sizes in the market, so you need to know which one fits your head perfectly. Look at this one. I can shake my head all over. I can walk out with this wig because I actually made this particular wig for working out in the gym. I can jump up and down. I can do whatever I want to do with this wig without being afraid of it falling off. Why? Because I made sure that I put wig combs in it, and I also put an elastic band in it, and I also combed the wig combs into my cornrows. Nowhere this wig cannot fall off. This is what you need to ensure that you do to avoid embarrassing situations.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more.